Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Dodge Challenger in cardboard. Start by laying out a clear workspace and organizing tools within reach. Measure twice and mark panels precisely for consistent symmetry across both sides. Use a sharp blade for clean edges and score fold lines for neat bends. Dry fit each section to confirm fit, then glue gradually to maintain alignment and avoid warping as the model takes shape. In each step, keep measurements consistent and test fit before gluing. Build a reinforced chassis by layering cardboard sheets and adding internal ribs for rigidity. Attach wheel wells and axle mounts precisely so wheels sit square and roll freely. Shape body panels with scored folds and clamp pieces while glue sets to ensure straight seams. Keep extra scrap for trim work and make gradual adjustments to maintain realistic proportions and smooth contours. In this ad break, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth for Clear Money Thinking. It's a small buy that changes perspective like a fresh coat of paint. If you enjoyed the step-by-step build, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this phase, add character with paint, trim, and decals. Mask areas like windows and trim to keep lines clean and use thin paint layers for even coverage. Sand lightly between coats and apply decals precisely, sealing them with clear varnish to prevent peeling. Add small details like badges, mirrors, and headlights to elevate realism. Finish with a protective matte or gloss coat to lock in color and guard against handling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.